An excavator is pushing off a big stone block at an industrial quarry, shattering it to pieces. This is how they're able to build a bridge at a high altitude. A wrecking ball demolisher is taking down an old silo. The worker also had run away to safety. A water turbine is spinning to produce electricity by the water current. A specialized demolisher is tearing down an old nuclear power plant. A railway track laying machine is renewing a high-speed railway. A movie set producing a simulation of a boat in a weather storm. This huge machine is able to 3D print a boat with plastic materials. A cotton picking machine is harvesting to produce a cotton bale. Rocks are being picked up by a long crane by extending its arm. A farmer is using a flame-throwing tractor to get rid of old crops. A huge plane is taking off for a flight, and a big runway is needed. A big train is moving with great force. A metal object is dropped from a crane, creating a satisfying sound. A specialized machine is harvesting oranges at night. A roof-mounted crane is picking up grass to distribute it across the farmhouse. Metal is being picked up by a magnet attached to a crane for easy transporting. Thankfully, this crane is holding on to a small stone breaker so it doesn't fall.